I see your frown and it's like looking down the barrel of a gun, and it goes off. And how come all these words? Oh, there's a very pleasant side to you, a side I much prefer. It's one that's laughs and jokes around. Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground. It was up, up and away. Oh, but it's right hard to remember that on a day like today, when you're all argumentative and you've got the face on.